First and foremost, a massive thank you to Oxford Owl, who have blessed us with this box. It's a box full of Numicon resources, and so myself and Ari, we're going to be sharing this with you. We're going to find out what's inside basically. So let's find out what's inside. Yes.
I wonder what it is.
Okay. Brilliant. Okay, so we've got one that is the first steps kit, and we have one here which is the next steps kit. Some tips, activities and things for your child to do. Pegs, so resources, the numbers from 1 to 10 inside of this, but essentially this is a number line, and it's a number line using Numicon squares, so it will go from 1 all the way to 10. So this is pretty cool to have as well. You can cut them out, or you can use this as some type of board to be able to play some games, which is nice. And one of my favorite pieces, your Numicon board, and these are the kind of things that we use to be able to play games, to sequence numbers, to do activities and to solve problems. So we have the first steps kit. I'm going to give this to my lovely presenter. Could you present this for me, please? Just show it to the audience, let them see. Okay, so we have an activity book. We have a lovely Numicon bag. Another set of Numicon. Oh, what's this? So we've got something I haven't seen before, a zigzag book. So we'll probably go into a bit more detail to see what this looks like on the inside. It's threading lace, another Numicon board box as well. Okay, so in our next video, what we're going to do is we're going to go through each of these boxes, and we're going to show you as a family or as a company different ways that you can use these Numicon resources in the classroom or in your home. Please like, subscribe and share, and we look forward to seeing you soon. What did you say?
Bye bye.
Bye.